In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple glow behind an object in Procreate. To start, I'm just going to draw that object. So I'm just going to draw a black circle and fill it in. So now that I have my black object, I want to have a layer for my glow. So I'm going to add a new layer. I'm going to drag that layer underneath my object. Now your glow can be any color you want. I'm just going to make it yellow. Now I'm going to draw around the object, kind of giving it a yellow border, and it does not have to be super neat. The more you put here, the bigger the glow will be. I'm just going to do something like that for a little simple glow at first. Now I'm going to go up to my effects where the magic wand is in the top left. I'm going to go down to Gaussian blur. I'm going to say layer. If you're in a version previous to Procreate 5X, you'll just tap Gaussian blur and it'll apply to the whole layer. So I'm going to hit layer. Now I'm going to drag my finger across the screen. And as I do, it'll blur that yellow and give it the appearance of a glow coming from behind my object. Now a couple of things I can do. I can leave it like this right now. I can also duplicate that layer if I want the glow to be a little more intense. Drag that layer to the left and hit duplicate. So now it gets a little darker, and I can put another Gaussian blur down. Kind of fade it a little bit. And like I said, you can do this glow with any color you want around any object you want. It's a very simple way to give a glow to something. Maybe it's a rock, maybe it's a gem, maybe it's a person, but a very simple, easy way to put a glow together in Procreate.